how to find the perfect wildlife photo from your burst image. So if you have taken image in burst, you get like multiple groups of image. To select the best from that particular batch, what you need to do is click on create album and upload the batch of images. So just do that and then click on the option raw JPEG. Then from here, whichever folder has the image, select that and click on import. Once that is done, just click on the option something else. And then from all the group of this image, just click on culling. And on culling, just click on the option start AI culling. And then just choose Start AI Automated Cull. Over here, click on Customize and then make sure Decent Blurry Photos is on and it's on strict or moderate. Depends on how blurry image you like. If you want your image to be sharp, just make sure it's strict. If you want a little bit blurry images, you can go moderate. And make sure this is off. Click on Start Cull and out of all your batch of image, it's going to select the best one. That's how you guys can do it for wildlife and for anything. It's pretty much the same. It's just that the settings you have to play around over here is different depending on the batch of image you have. But yeah, that's how you guys can do it. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.